Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use Wi-Fi on Poco mobile. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting, so how to use Wi-Fi setting guys, Wi-Fi full setting guys. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys how to use Wi-Fi setting on Poco phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to use Wi-Fi setting on Poco mobile. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see Wi-Fi setting. Here we will click on Wi-Fi setting. First friends, on your Wi-Fi, after on Wi-Fi friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, we will refresh Wi-Fi setting. After refresh guys, which network guys you want to connect guys, you will have to select. Friends, you want to add any network, so friends you can add and you can connect Wi-Fi network. Friends, I will select this Wi-Fi network and I will enter Wi-Fi password guys. So enter Wi-Fi password. After enter Wi-Fi password guys, click on connect option. So Wi-Fi network will connect on your Poco phone. After connect network guys, you want to share this Wi-Fi, so friends you can share from here on your Poco phone guys. Friends, you can see after connect Wi-Fi guys, we can use guys apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, like that app guys, you can use it after connect Wi-Fi. Friends, you don't have mobile data, friends you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use it guys. So like that guys, we can connect Wi-Fi network, and guys again click on your Wi-Fi setting, and friends click on right side this arrow option guys, tap here. Friends, you want to off guys this connect automatically, you can off from here. Friends, you want to modify this network, you can modify. Friends, you want to forget, so guys click on forget. After forget guys, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network guys, you want to use guys, again guys you will have to enter password, then guys you can connect this Wi-Fi network. So like that guys, we can use Wi-Fi setting on Poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to use Wi-Fi setting on Poco mobile. So bye guys, we will meet on next video guys.